How to hide activity on Yubo. Now, as we all know, you might want to hide your activity due to various reasons such as privacy concerns or just because you don't want certain people to know what you're doing. So, I'll teach you guys how to do that. First, if you're new to our channel, go down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our upcoming video. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's start. First, make sure that you have installed your Yubo. If you don't have it, go to your app store and go to your search bar and type for Yubo. After you search for Yubo, make sure you've installed it. And since I've already installed it, I'll just open it. Now, as you can see, this is my Yubo. I can just talk to people, browse through people and whatnot in Yubo. Now, to hide our activity, there is no specialized button or no specific button that we can use to hide it, but there is a few options, few settings that you can maintain to hide your activities from certain people. So for that, what you want to do is just go to your profile section that's on the top right, go to your settings and scroll down till you find safety and privacy. Now there you will see your location. Make sure that your location is turned off because Yubo uses your location to find people nearby. That is, it will share your location details too. So make sure you've hidden it. Or you can just hide your city too. As you can see, you can just hide your city. And if you want to directly hide your activity from certain people on Yubo, you can just go and block them. You can block different people. You can even mute words, and that are all the methods that you can use to hide your activity on Yubo. So that is all. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned. Bye bye.